Hello all. Today we are going to see Java program. The first program is Palindrome to check whether a number is a palindrome or not. So first I'm creating a public class named as Palindrome num anything. You can give any num class name. Then generates the method automatically. Then I'm creating an instance of the scanner class. Then I'm getting a number from the user. Next I am scanning this token, that is int token, for next line as int. Then I'm getting a variable, sorry, giving a variable, and I'm storing for storing reverse number also I'm giving another variable, that rev. While the number is not equal to 0, that is while the number is uh, not equal to 0 means it reverses by this formula, that is reversing formula. Reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus number by 10. While working with this formula, we get a number. If the number is equal to original number, that is the reverse is equal to original number, then our number is a palindrome number. Otherwise, our number is not a palindrome number. So let us execute this program and see and check whether a number is a palindrome or not. So first I give 134, not a palindrome number, because if we reverse this number we won't get the original number. So I'm now giving another number such as 121. While we reverse this 121, we know that it's a palindrome. We get the same original number, so it's a palindrome number, the palindrome program. Then coming to pattern, we are going to print the pattern now. So same as last program, first method is to create a class and it generates the auto method string. Then I am giving number of rows, and the formula is formula for getting the output is, that asterisk pattern output is n is equal to n by 2 plus 1. So I am using this formula. Then I am declaring I equal to 0. So we are first printing the pyramid pattern using for loop, then another for loop to print spaces between the asterisk, and another for loop to print the stars. Stars is our pattern. So I am executing this pattern program. I got stars. I give row 5. If I give 7, we get 7 rows. Still 7 stars. So this is the pattern. Then coming to number, as same like we done in pattern, we are going to do for numbers, that is 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, like that. So I'm creating a class first, and then auto generating the string. Then I'm declaring 3 variable I j n. Then I'm creating an instance. Then I'm getting the number of lines from the user. Then I'm scanning the next token of the input, that is n is equal to sc dot next int. Then I'm using for loop to iterate x times, that is how many times we are going to give in the number of lines. Then I'm using for loop. Then again I'm printing to print spaces. I'm using again a for loop. Then this for loop to print the left triangle of numbers, and another for loop to print right triangle of numbers. For left triangle of numbers, we are using increment operator symbol, that is j plus plus. For right triangle of number, we are using the decrement operator, that is minus symbol. So at last we are going to print the j and the space along with space. So let's run the program. Then I will run it. So I am giving 3 for example. Yeah, 3 rows are, I mean 3 numbers are printed, like 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 2 1, the pattern. This is the this one. This comes here left triangle, and 1 2 3 1 2 1, and this comes here right triangle. So this is the number program. Then we can see the electric bill program, calculating electric bill according to unit. Very interesting program. We are going to create a class as every program, and it generates automatic string. Next, I'm giving float units. Why I'm giving float units means we can't expect every electric bill units to come in a decimal number, accurate decimal number. So sometimes it may also come in float numbers like 200.5, 300.3, like that. So I'm giving float. Then I'm scanning creating an instance, scanning an input, and getting the number of units. Then again, I'm scanning the next token of input as float. Then I'm also giving double, that is, I'm giving the variable name as bill pay. So using if else statement, I'm going to construct this bill amount. So if unit is lesser than or equal to 100, that is the electric bill is unit into 1.05. Same like if unit is lesser than 300, uh, unit into 2.35, else the unit is lesser than 500, unit into 3.50. If the unit is greater than 500, unit into 4.20, and last it prints the bill to pay, then the variable bill pay prints in rupees. So I am executing this program. I'm giving the number of units. For example, I'm giving 239. Yeah. See here, 239 is less than 300. So 239 into 2.35 it shows here. Same way for a decimal number also you can get the output time. For example, I'm giving decimal number as 587.9. Sorry, decimal number, not float number, giving 587.5. Yeah, 587.5 into 4.20, we get this value. So for both float values and integer values you can get the output. Finally, we come to menu driven operation using Java program, like the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. So I mean, as same like I'm creating a class and scanning the input, and I'm giving the option, and I'm creating a menu driven choice like add, sub, multiply, divide, and modulo, and I'm printing everything, and I'm printing two values a and b. And for case 1 I'm adding, case 2 subtracting, and case 3 multiplying, and case 4 dividing, and for finally case 5, that is modulus. I'm using each operators plus, minus, asterisk, division, and modulus. So if it is finally last is exit and invalid, so we can close it by giving 2. So I'm giving executing the statement. I'm giving my choices 1, adding, I'm giving two values 2 and 3, yeah, c5, and I'm continuing, and again I'm giving 2 and 8. Sorry, I'm giving now I'm giving 2, so value is 6. So like this we can do for till for fourth multiplication, third one multiplication, and fourth one division, and fifth one modulus, which gives us remainder. These are the 5 programs. Thank you.